Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1967 El Camino. Now let's just take a second to realize that this is not just any car. You're getting a classic Chevrolet and a truck at the same time. So basically you're riding in style and getting stuff done at the same time. We got a nice, really nice white paint job with a blue interior. You can take a look at this right now. Beautiful blue bench seat, very comfy. Not much modification to this car besides the 3 gauges down there, which are more accurate than you'd had right back in 67. Upgraded 2-knob radio. Still got the original wheel. Got a really nice loud horn there. Stops all those Florida drivers from getting in your way. But yeah, it's just a plain Jane El Camino. Really nice sounding car. Give it a little gas, it's there. But speaking of which, to make it safe, let's show you the brakes. Well, this brakes handle really well. Definitely in the top 10 favorites of Chevy. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around up here, let you guys take a look at the underneath, see what you think. See you there.